So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here I do a lot of lifestyle content. So today's video we are going to make a satin bonnet, and I have shared my secrets on how I make, or rather how I do my hair, the products that I've been using. But today we are going to go a bit into details on how we are going to make a satin bonnet. So we can use this satin bonnet for sleeping or for staying at home. And that is one of my many ways that I protect my hair. So let me introduce you to the tools you're going to use. You're going to use some scissors. You're going to use a safety pin. We are going to use some pins, a tape measure, an elastic band, two materials. First, you're going to need a satin material and another material. So I'm using an Ankara material. So two materials for this satin bonnet because it's going to be a reversible satin bonnet. So we are going to start marking our 18 inches all around our satin bonnet. So this is how we are going to mark it. So the folded part becomes our focal point. So we are going to put our measurement from that point, and we are going to take our 18 inches and we are going to mark it all around like that. So let's begin marking. So our 18 inch include our sewing allowance.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Take our scissors and we are going to cut along those ways. And because I don't want my satin to move, I'm going to pin it there and there. And here. Now we are going to cut the points. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. But we are having our circle. So you're going to take the same measurement we have for a circle to cut our this material. We are going to do the same thing to this material. So now we have 2 circles, and that is how they perfectly fit on one another. So you're going to put the right sides together, So this is my right side, and this is my right side. We are going to make them face each other like so, and we are going to use our pins to pin all around the circle. So you're going to leave about that much of an opening, and we are going to sew all around. So let's take this to our machine and we sew all around the circle. I have sewn all around, and we left an opening here, and we are going to use this opening to turn our material inside out.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So right now we have our right sides facing out. So this is our right side, and this is another right side. So you're going to give it a good press with our iron box all around. Then you're going to come back to another step. For us to get a case where we're going to use our rubber band. So let's do that case all around and be back. We have sewn all around our bonnet, and mark you, we still have an opening over here. So we are going to measure the circumference of our head so that we get to know how much of our elastic band we are going to use. So the circumference of my head is 22 inches, and we are going to measure 22 inches from our elastic band. So right about there, we are going to cut 22 inches of our elastic band, and we are going to use this elastic band to put it around our case, and we're going to use the safety pin. We are going to insert it on our opening, and we are going to put it in.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The next step, after you have put our elastic band all around, we are going to sew the elastic band, put them flat. You're going to sew here, in here, and then we are going to close in our this opening. So let's close the opening and let's sew the elastic band. So now our bonnet is ready. So this is our satin bonnet. So that is how it looks like. So we have closed in our opening, we have stitched in our elastic band, and we have spread out these gathers. So that is how it looks. So you can wear it like this for your braids, or you can wear it like this. Also big enough for your braids. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until our next video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. So until next time, bye.